can't find the lights. Should I be scary? Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Yoon again, and today I'm coming to you from the dark. Are you scared? Don't be scared. We can turn the lights back on in a snap. Are you ready? Get your fingers ready and you can snap the lights back on with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It worked! Good job! Well, I'm here today with you reading in the dark. And I want you to do it too. So here's what you do. I want you to grab a book and grab a flashlight, turn all of the lights out, and read in the dark with your flashlight. It's really, really fun. Now, I can't read in the dark right now because you wouldn't be able to see me very well. So I've got the lights on right now, but I want you to do this yourself. And here is today's story. Today's story is Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups before? I have. The hiccups are so hard to get rid of. And Little Penguin here, he gets the hiccups and he can't get rid of them. So, we are going to read Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tadgh Bentley. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, look at him here. What is he doing? Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. He's got those hiccups. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I have got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Do you know what the word advice means? He's going to give us some advice. What does that mean? Advice means he's going to try to help us. He's going to tell us something that will help us in the future. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. We can't give chili to a penguin. Did you know that it gives them the hiccups? I didn't know that. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. He's trying all of these different strategies to get rid of his hiccups, but nothing is working. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. We've got to scare the little penguin. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. Okay. Our first time scaring little penguin did not work, so we've really got to scare him this time. We've really got to scare him. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn the lights off again. I think we've got to really scare him. So you're going to help me snap the lights back off. Are you ready? Here we go. All right. On the count of 3, we are going to scare little penguin. Ready? You're going to shout boo as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Wow, that was really scary. I think we need to turn the lights back on. All right, here we go. Oh, you scared me. Oh, that had to have worked. Let's see if it did. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Aw, man, it didn't work. Little penguin still has the hiccups. Ah! Will I have the hiccups forever? Oh, he seems very frustrated. One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Oh, somebody else scared him. What animal is that? Franklin! What on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet and my mom will go bonkers because she just brushed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, wait. Hold on a second. My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. There they are eating the tacos and uh-oh. The hiccups came back. Oh, little penguin. He's got to stop eating that spicy food. Oh, goodness. I hope little penguin gets rid of those hiccups. And I hope you enjoyed today's story. And I really hope that you read in the dark. So make sure you grab your flashlight, grab a book, and turn the lights off and have fun. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.